We're putting on a rearward facing bar. First, you need to stay in shape or else you're going to have a flavalanche.
Driving down the road in your motorhome, you flip the wheel, re-engage the safety plus. Now you can see how it's going to come right back to the straight ahead point.
I'd like to purchase both, but I'd also like to hear from your technician in regards to what they found with my current unit.
Right. Yeah, we always have them check it first. So that's standard operating procedure.
Okay.
I want peace of mind when I drive this thing. And that's why, like I say, that's why I put on the coning shocks, that's why I put on the safety plus, that's why I put it on the stabilizer.
Absolutely. Our customers are our best salesmen.
I have only about 10,000 miles on my coach. I've had the coning shocks put on, the safety plus steering stabilizer, and now I'm getting the motion side-by-side added to my airbags. What's important to me is control and stability going down the road, especially in high wind or going down steep grades, because loss of control for a second can be disastrous.